Hey, what's up? It's Robby here, and I have some exciting news, guys. I actually was able to take my amazing 3-step system that helped so many people generate thousands of dollars online this last year alone, and I've been able to automate it, guys. How cool is that? So a lot of the times people run into a ton of roadblocks when it comes to having success online, right? They have to come up with their own landing pages. They have to come up with all these different processes and angles and strategies, right? And that can be really tough, and honestly and truly, you might get frustrated and quit, guys. And so what I've done is I've taken all the success from my students that they've had over the past couple of years, and I basically took that and automated the entire system for you guys. And that's why I'm super excited, because we're about to release that whole system, and I want to share with you exactly how it works. All we do is we work and partner with other people's offers, right? So you don't have to worry about having your own offer, and what we call is our invisible e-commerce method, right? It's super simple, and the best thing is you don't have to have your own product to have success with it. And guys, don't worry about Amazon or any of that stuff too. You don't need any of that as well, guys. All you have to do is follow the 3 steps that I use in this training and supercharge it and build on the automation on top of it, and you can have a thriving business that will literally make you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day. If you don't believe me, I want you to hear from some students who are just like you that started using the system and now are having incredible success.
So yeah, guys, I mean, you can see literally, this is ClickBank. This is pretty much when we started running ads up here, March. Now it's pretty much October, and you'll see here, 902,663.36 cents. So that is what we did there. And then literally, here's like, we just started running ads in Digistore like, I don't know, maybe a week ago, a week and a half, $162,000 in Digistore.
That is pretty crazy. That's amazing, man. And guys, if you do the math, 900 plus 162, that's over $1 million. So
I started a new offer at the end of March, and within 3 weeks, I'm making now $2,000 to $4,000 profit a day. What I truly love about this business model is how I'm now able to make what I used to make in a week in a day, and what I used to make in a month in a week. And I'm now on my way to make what I used to make in the whole year in a single month.
I have definitely never had any prior experience in an online business. I was looking for something that I could do on my own schedule. As you can see, these are my stats. It shows you my days, the 1420. You know, I've had several $1,000 days or over that. And then it shows you my $2,300 day this past weekend. I'm on track to do, you know, a $10,000 week. I'm really excited.
Yeah, guys, isn't this crazy? Look at this. So, you know, $4,000 day, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, all the way up to $10,000. $10,000. Yesterday you had another $10,000 day. Today you're doing pretty darn well today as well. It's still very early. Man, oh man.
Push forward. It's gonna be worth it. I promise that.
So yeah, $1,000 day right there. About $1,500 day. Not even 1,000. It was more than that.
This is literally like, you are the middleman. You are direct to the consumer. You don't have to deal with all the crap that the company has to deal with: products, customer service, shipping. Like, you just get a piece of the pie, and you just have to learn how to work the piece of the pie. And like, I don't know what to tell you. Just, I would do it. I would 1,000% do it.
Dude, that's awesome. And this is pretty cool, actually. I love to see this, because like, you know, man, you've been pretty consistent, like every single day. Like, you know, it's like, you know, $200, $280 on one day, and then it went to $400, then $800, then, you know, you get a couple of $800 days, you had the $900 day like you were talking about. Yeah, man. So that's awesome, dude. And it looks like, you know, on a week-to-week basis, like you're bringing in some decent money right now. So what would you say to somebody that is not in Commission Hero yet?
What are you waiting for?
So you can see that my students are having incredible success using this system and this automation. And I want you to have the same type of success, and you can, because honestly and truly, 2021 is going to be the best year ever, and it's going to be a slight window of opportunity where you can have amazing success this year, and I want you to be part of that success, guys. All right, so here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to go ahead and click the link on this video and register for my free workshop, which takes place real soon, guys, and you'll see all the dates and the information on the following page. Now, guys, the reason why you want to attend this workshop is because you're going to learn the step-by-step process of how myself and how my thousands of students over the past couple years have had incredible success, plus the brand new updated supercharged system that automates the entire process. So you don't want to miss out on this workshop, guys, because you're going to learn how real people from all over the world who had no experience online are now having businesses that are generating hundreds and thousands of dollars a day in profit. So guys, go ahead, click the link on this video, register for my free workshop. take action, claim your spot because spaces are limited, and I'll see you on the inside.